Hello everyone. I'm going to discuss Activity 3, Materials Costing. So the objective is to display the total cost for all the materials that are used in the network plan from the previous activity. Here's how it is implemented sa Pocket Tracer. Click mo yung file ng network plan, tapos click Extensions, choose Resource Attributes, then dito sa Current Attributes, select mo lang yung cost. Tapos, the current total network is displayed. Paano naman malalaman ang cost ng kada device na ginamit natin? So, there are two ways para malaman yan. Unang-una, halimbawa, kukunin natin yung cost ng router na ginamit natin. Click mo lang yung router. Tapos dito is, makikita mo yung attributes niya. Then, yung cost. Pangalawa, dito pa rin sa extensions, then sa resource attributes pa rin. Select mo lang yung yung device na ginamit. Then yung dito routers, tapos yung model niya.